I'm Chef Leta. We are making snow cream. Now, if your power goes out, no need. Make snow cream for dessert. Because you don't need electricity for this. I'm going to tell you what you need. You're going to need a whisk, a spoon, a bowl full of snow, brown sugar, or you could use white sugar, but the reason I'm using brown sugar is because it's yummy, and evaporated milk. Did you know back then, they used to use egg yolks to make snow cream? Crazy, right? Okay, who's ready to get started? Okay? I'm going to take these off, since they aren't good use. We are going to use the brown sugar and put it into this right here. And you dump the entire thing in there. Entire thing. Don't even worry about the measurements, just put it in. Then you are going to use your evaporated milk. Now gently open this so that way none of it squirts out. Might take me a while since I don't want to squirt any of it out. Okay, I got my evaporated milk and I'm going to pour the entire thing in there. I know, people make mistakes. And you're going to stir it. Gently stir it. Remember, kids, make sure your parents open evaporated milk or else you're going to end up like this. Stir it up, nice and neat. Wait until all the bubbles have gone. Just keep stirring, and done. Shake your whisk and just put it in the evaporated thing. Now take a bit of your snow cream and you are just gently going to pour a bit on it. Gentle. You're going to take your spoon and try to stir it. So take some more snow and just gently stir the snow with the milk in it. This might seem weird, so make sure your parents do this part. Don't let you do this part, okay? It's not gonna be fun. So just stir it and keep stirring it. Take some more snow. And bye. If you enjoyed the video,
try bite.
And good snow cream. And make sure you try out this video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the bell below. Bye.